Hello everybody, good morning. At this time I'm here to tell my self-introduction. My name is Quỳnh Hương. I was born in Phúc. I'm 21 years old. I'm a senior student in Hanoi University Science of Technology. My family have 4 persons. My mom and dad live in Vĩnh Phúc. My younger sister and me live in Hanoi. My younger sister studies in Hanoi University. I'm British good looking. I have a golden complexion and brown hair. I'm a shy person. I was so afraid to stand before the crowd, but I'm trying to be more confident. However, I'm very clever. I love to cook, and I can do a lot of kinds of cake. Cooking helped me feel more comfortable, and I want to open a bakery in the future. I'm very glad to grow and be attended with grass. The grass very interesting and rewarding. Miss Tihan very beautiful and fun. The reason I study English because it's really neat for life, and I want to be more confident. I'm having the problem of the start, but I hope the course will help me fix it. Thanks for listening.